All right, well, I appreciate the opportunity to be here. And how many students do I have in the audience? All right, so what I tried to do as I looked at the ALICE report was I took very much a student's perspective. I just finished my Ph.D. Back in 2016, and it was a real honor to be here with Dr. Van Lyle. He just came from my hometown university, and I actually have my doctoral dissertation package right here as well. Now, there's a reason that I brought this as a prop for you all, and that is I thought about what I would say to you all. I'm going to do this within like 2 minutes or less. But when I read the ALICE report, and one of the things that it made me think about was the purpose of education, and I also thought about, I looked for a quote, all right, in relationship to this. And one thing that I found was from President Barack Obama's address at the town hall meeting that they had at the University of Maryland. I'm terrible at memorizing things, so let's see if I can get this right. But in July of 2011, he started off his presentation to the audience. He said, in the United States, he said, we control our own destiny. He said, but we all have to answer 3 questions. And he said, the first is, where do we want to go? The second is, what is our vision to get there? And then, what do we want to do next? All right? So, when you think about that, and you think about if that's our destiny, what the ALICE report does is it gives data. And we just saw 2 fantastic presentations here that gave us a ton of data that came out of the ALICE report. So as students, what I would think of in terms of the ALICE report is it gives you a summary of data that is pulled from many different sources. And I think that's where I would start with it, and without having to reiterate a lot of things that have already been said initially. So, Doctor.